says here, recall that each time the loop runs, input is the quotient of the previous value of input divided by 2, rounded down. Eventually, input is less than 1 and the loop stops running. You can do this in a single step by inside our while loop, set input equal to the quotient of input. So input is the quotient of the value of input, so just have to input is equal to input divided by 2, since input divided by 2 will be the quotient and the quotient will be stored in the input. And also remember to use matplotlib to round the quotient down. So we first write matplotlib and then wrap the input divided by 2